Hello guys and welcome. In this part of the series I'll cover the MariaDB installation and setting it up by creating new database user and giving them proper privileges. So the first thing we need is a package named software properties common. Let's install it. Sudo apt-get install. Software properties common. Okay, I already have the newest version. That's nice. The next thing we need is this command over here. Let's use it. Okay, so this apt-key, what it does is manage the list of keys used by apt, which is the default package management system of Ubuntu. Stands for advanced packaging tool to basically authenticate packages. Nothing. Done. Okay, now we'll add another repository, which is this. Now one thing to mention is that these two commands may vary as per different operating systems and their versions. As I'm using Ubuntu 17.10, these commands works for me. If you are using something different, then I'll recommend you to visit the link in the description below, which is the installation guide of MariaDB. You will find proper guidance for your operating system. Let's use this. Have I copied properly? Use it. These are very hard to memorize, so I just wrote down. It's added. Now we'll check for any update. That's fine. Okay, now we'll just straight ahead install the MariaDB server. MariaDB -server. Done. Yes. All the files. It's installing the MariaDB files. Okay, so now it's asking me for a root password. I recommend give a very strong one. For now I'll give a very basic for me. Okay. And it's done. Let's check our MariaDB version. MySQL-u root -p, the password for the root. I think I entered it wrong. What happened? -u root -p. Oh, I haven't used the sudo. That's a big problem. Yep, I'm inside. You can check the version. It's 10.2.13, which is perfect for any Laravel application. And what are we gonna do? Next we'll check for databases which are there at the beginning of installation. Okay, I'll create new database. Let's give it a name. Okay, I'll add another one, DemoDB. That's fine. Okay, for now we just have only root user, but definitely we need different users for our database. Let's add one. So to create a new user, what we do is create user, then the name of the user. I'm giving my name, then @ localhost. Basically this is the host name which always stays localhost as much as I have seen, identified by the password. You can see my password actually. There is nothing I can do to hide it. No worries. Done. And now we have to give privilege to that user so that he can execute different database actions like create, insert, delete, different. So to do, we need a command called grant all privileges on the database. What's the database name we added? I'll give access to, say, step up coding. Dot, you can specify any specific table, and if you want all the tables inside the database, which is really most common, just enter a star to the user. Who's the user? @localhost. I think it's done. Grant all privileges on the database, all the tables to this. It's done. Okay, now let's again check how many databases we have. Show databases. See, we do have 2 new databases, one for DemoDB, another one is the last one, step up coding. Now let's quit and log in as the new user. MySQL-u-p, as you all know my password. And now let's check show databases. Yes. See that as we just have gave access to the step up coding database to the user Saurabh, he only can see the step up coding, can see this database. If I even try to jump and switch, I can't. I think they won't let me use, what's the name, DemoDB. See that access is denied because we haven't actually given any privilege for that database. But if I try to access the step up coding database, they will let me. So this is how it's done. Very simple, very easy. You can actually revoke, you can add different kinds of access. We have actually given all privileges, but you can specify which specific things you want to give, like create new, add, update, etc. There are different kinds of privileges for MySQL and MariaDB. So this is all, guys. The next part will be how to install and set up Nginx, and we'll check how PHP fast CGI works. And yeah, thanks for watching.